Hey YouTubers, so I was working some JT65 today. It's Easter weekend. Made contact with this European Russian station. It's almost 9,000 kilometers away. Pretty much the furthest one you can see from where I am near Toronto. Pretty cool. And I also worked Hungarian station on 15 meters. All the tan colored markers are for 15 meters. Those are stations that are hearing my station. I didn't make QSOs with all of them, but they're picking me up. The ones in yellow were from when I was down on 20 meters. So they're like 20 minutes ago. Anyway, here's my Magloop antenna hanging outside there from MFJ. You can see it's snowing today. And there's kind of a look of my front yard. Got a nice location here. It's nice and electrically quiet. And I heard Montana.
CQ, Montana QSO party, November 7th, Foxtrot, me, my Tango.
Thought I'd give him a call.
Hotel Papa Mike. Hotel Papa Mike. Roger, it's Kilo Charlie 0. Kilo Charlie 0.
I don't think I've worked Montana before.
Papa Mike.
So I'm not working on my work all states award or anything, but I'll give him a shout.
Thank you so much for Gallatin County, Montana. You're 5'9" in Crawford County, Missouri. Mike Oscar. Okay, thanks again from Missouri. Appreciate it. 03, thanks. CQ, Montana QSO party, November 7th. Foxtrot, me, my Tango. Victor Echo 3, Charlie November Uniform, 5'9" in Gallatin County.
QSO 5'9", you're also 5'9", up here near Toronto. I'm in Halton County, Ontario, and you got a great signal this afternoon, over.
Okay, boy, there was some noise there for a minute, but I copied most of that. Otherwise, you're M9.
Okay, thanks a lot. I think you might be a new state for me, so glad to make the QSO. 73.
November 7th, Foxtrot, my Tango, Montana QSO party. Kilo Charlie 40 Whiskey Alpha. Okay, for Tennessee, thank you. And there's a November in there?